Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Auth0 and Softr for secure member access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Auth0 and Softr for secure member access, start by logging into your Softr account. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to enable Auth0. In the left sidebar, click on the Settings option. Scroll down to the Authentication section. Look for the Enable Authentication toggle and switch it on. Next, head to the Auth0 website and log in or create an account if you do not have one. After logging in, click on the Applications tab in the Auth0 dashboard. Select Create Application and choose a name for your application. For the application type, select Single Page Application. Click Create to proceed. In the application settings, locate the client ID and client secret values. Copy both the client ID and client secret for later use. Return to your Softr project and paste the client ID into the appropriate field. Now, paste the client secret into the corresponding field in Softr. Next, configure the allowed callback URLs in Auth0. In the Auth0 dashboard, go to the Settings tab of your application. Under the allowed callback URLs, enter your Softr application's URL. Include /auth/callback at the end of the URL. Save the changes in Auth0 by clicking the Save Changes button. Now, configure the logout URL in Auth0. Still in the application settings, find the Allowed Logout URLs field. Enter your Softr application's logout URL. This usually ends with /auth/logout. Click Save Changes again. Return to Softr and finalize any additional member settings as needed. For the member access control, set the required permissions for your app. Ensure the Auth0 integration is now fully configured. You can now test the authentication process by logging out and attempting to log back in. If everything is set up correctly, users should be able to log in using their Auth0 credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.